Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syafiqah Hartini binti Muhammad Saki. My metric number is 257146. Today, I would like to present my project on the job management system in audit department of Salihin Consulting Group Sdn Bhd. This system was proposed based on the observation made on the issues and problems faced by the organization itself. Currently, Salihin has its own system that they have been using for the past few years. This system includes ERP system as well as job management system. So the one that I'm been focusing more is on the job management system. The current job management system integrates all the client regardless of department who in charge in providing service to the clients. Thus, on behalf of audit department, they concern more on how to track the job progress of each job being allocated under audit services. Apparently, managers of audit department need to make a spreadsheet to distribute to its staff so that everyone can update their job progress manually and email it back to the managers. This was found to be quite troublesome because every auditor was rushed to keep up the deadline. Thus, not everyone had enough time to update it manually and then email it back to the managers. Thus, with this proposed system, it will help managers to keep updated with the job progresses in real time. Now, I will proceed with the system. For admin, they need to enter their username and password. This username and password have been fixed from the developer itself. So they need to sign in to the system that will bring them into the dashboard. In this dashboard, admin will get to see a full project that existed within the system. So as you can see, there is a total of 5 projects and 8 tasks being assigned. Let's proceed with the job or the project. This is the project listing. All the projects will be listed out in this page. For admin, they have the access to view, edit, and delete the project. They also have the access to add new project by filling the form right here. So they can allocate who is the manager in charge, who are team members, when will this project started and expected to end, and what are any description that they want to place, and then they can save this. For example, the client is terminal. So status, whether it's still pending. So expected to start by 31st May, expected to end maybe within 1 month from now, 30th June. So these managers have been registered by admin, and the team members be Mike, and description. And then can save. So data successfully saved and new project is out. The next is to delete a project. For example, sample project 1. Then we can edit. So you can edit anything here and then save. Or we can even delete it. Now we move on to the task list. This page will show you the list of tasks being assigned by managers. And as you can see, there is also job status together with the task status. Task status will be showing done once the tasks have been completed. However, the job status will only be showing done, showing that the job is completed once all the tasks assigned is completed. So admin also will be able to manage the task given. Like they can add on if there is any additional tasks that need to be done by the associates. Next, we move on to the report. In this page, all the projects within the system will be listed out. Number of tasks given for the project, and then number of completed tasks, duration of hours needed to complete the task, the job, also the progress of the job, and status of the job. And admin also can print the report. So as you know that only admin can give access for other users to access into the system. Therefore, this is where the admin will register a new user, for example. User role, you can choose either the project manager or the employee itself or the admin. For example, this is the employee or the associates. And you can also upload some pictures. For example, this one, and then you can see. Then you can see the list of users within the system, the role and email of each of the users. Admin can view the users like this, and then you can also edit and delete. So that's all on how admin function can be used. Oh, besides that, admin also can manage their account. Like they can change or update these features applicable to all users, either it's project manager or the employee itself, the associates. So let's move on to the manager level, manager access. So I've been using this account for managers. So as you can see, the first one during the admin dashboard, there's a total of 5 jobs and 8 tasks. However, now on the manager side, they can only view what are actually their job. So apparently by Laila, there is a total of 3 jobs with 4 tasks. Laila also as a manager will be able to see and view all the job under her, view it, giving task, or even update to the task, just like admin did, and to view all the progress which the task assigned to the employers. So employers will respond to the task by adding in the productivity. So for example, like this one, let's try to add new task. Status and progress to collect the form from the company secretary, and then delete it. Okay, that's it for it. Then put proceed to the task. This is a task being allocated, being assigned to the employees, and this is also task status and the job status. Going to reporting, only the job which being assigned under this manager will be listed out, and they can print also this report. Manager also can respond to the task assigned by add productivity. So, for example, the subject is annual return, date 18, 9 a.m. to 9 a.m. Done. So we can check back, view, this one, new productivity, which is done. Next, we proceed with the users or the associate. I use this account for the employee associate. So this is the job being assigned under Lara, the associate. So a total of 4 jobs and 5 tasks. So we will list out the job and the progress. And here, under the job, Lara can only view. Compared to manager level and admin, they can edit and delete it. And then for the task, Lara also can add productivity and respond to the work. So that is the 3 different features in 3 different access levels. So that's all for me.